Hello my friend, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is all about my fitness skincare routine. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Caroline and I'm a health coach that teaches people how to use movement as medicine. On my channel, you'll find a variety of video content helping you to stay fit, stay positive, and live your healthy, active life. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hitting that little notification bell so we stay connected every time I upload new content that's just for you. This video is really all about how I take care of the largest organ in my body, my skin. And I have a mini confession. I've never actually taken care of my skin. I know I'm a health coach and I have not been nurturing the health and fitness of my skin. It's atrocious. So when Proven Skincare approached me about doing a Proven Skincare review, I said, you know what? It's about time I take a little action and give my skin a little bit of loving. If you've never heard of Proven Skincare, I hadn't either. And I was excited to learn more about how I could use their AI technology to customize a skincare routine fit to my needs that would help me take care of the largest organ in my body. Here's everything you need to know about Proven Skincare. Proven is a line of skincare products that utilizes technology and science to provide a personalized skincare regimen through a quiz assessment on its website. And you know, I love quizzes. They're super fun. You get to know about yourself and know exactly what you need to succeed. So after I took this quiz and they asked me all of the questions I could ever think about when it comes to your skin and your personal skincare health, then they provide this fancy box with your personal skincare regimen. And everybody gets a unique skincare regimen based off of their very unique lifestyle. So mine would be different than anyone else's. No one gets the same box because it's backed by science. So check this out. This is my box and I just got it the other day. I was super excited. And it comes with all these unique cards that explain what you're getting. So I have all of these cards that tell me, this is so cool, check this out. Caroline Jordan, meet your unique skincare. And it shows me all of the answers that I provided on my quiz. So my age, my ethnicity, gender, of course, my skin type, how much I sleep, the air quality, my water hardness. It had me type in my zip code for San Diego so that it took into consideration the climate. It is that intense and that customized. So it tells me my skincare regimen and routine, and then it breaks down on all of the cards my products and why I need my products to succeed. So I've got my personalized cleanser in this box, and this is so cool, you guys. Check this out. After it tells me what the product is, it gives me all of the ingredients in the product and why each ingredient is included and why it is helpful for me, which I think is so cool. And it writes it in layman terms so that you can kind of understand. So say it's pre-probiotics, a microbiome balancing probiotics that reinforces skin's natural barrier to strengthen, restore, and protect. It fights hard water deposits, which if you live in San Diego, you know our water kind of sucks here. So I do need something that balances that out. So under each product, the cleanser, the SPF day cream, it breaks down all of the ingredients and why they're included for me in my skincare regimen. So each box has 3 products. I've got the cleanser, the sunscreen, which I used this morning, and then my night cream, which I can't wait to use tonight. And my night cream has things like sea kelp bioferment, which apparently is grown off of pristine cold coast of Oregon, rich in minerals, vitamins, natural skin nutrients, and oil-free hydrators, which I'm gonna put on my skin tonight, absolutely. So I love that they tell me why I'm using the product, not just give me a product that, you know, is like, oh yeah, this is good for your skin without kind of explaining the science behind it. So again, it's backed by science. And then you open up the box, and here are my beautiful, fancy, Proven Skincare products, and they're all in order of how I'll be using them. So my cleanser, my SPF, and my night cream. And I will pop out the SPF because in San Diego, I really need to use this. And my Aunt Joan would be so proud because she's like, you need to wear sunscreen. Do not end up a big wrinkle in a couple years. So this is the sunscreen, and I'll show you what it looks like. And it's not the kind of sunscreen, after putting it on this morning, I was a little bit worried. It's not the kind of sunscreen that makes you white and chalky and sticks to your skin. It really blends in so well. And I've been out in the sun quite a bit today. I swam masters and I did a little bit of a strength training workout, and it stayed on. And I'm really excited to start using this because the other sunscreen that I was using just really didn't cut it. So those are my proven skincare products, and I'm just so stoked because I'm confident that if I use these for 30 days, because they're customized to my unique body's needs, that I'm going to see huge improvements in the health and happiness and hydration of my skin. My goals are really to prevent from sun damage, to better hydrate my skin because it gets really wrecked because of my fitness lifestyle. I'm always sweating, I'm in the gym, I'm out in the sun. You know, my skin needs some love, and I've not been taking care of it as much as I should be. I take care of eating a healthy diet and sleeping at night and drinking enough water and working out, but I don't take care of my skin. And that's one of my biggest goals, is to start investing in the health of my skin and the happiness of my skin so that I can glow from the skin out. So that are my proven skincare products, and I'm just really excited to share them with you today. And I'll be excited to update with you with how my skin improves from using these products on a daily basis. I hope that my skin gets healthier and happier just through the process of using products that are customized to my unique needs. Yes, you can go to Walgreens and buy any sort of sunscreen, but they're not customized to you and your lifestyle. And that's why I'm so grateful for Proven for sponsoring this video today, for letting me try these products, and for providing a code for all of Caroline Jordan Fitness YouTube subscribers to use to check them out for yourself. So that code is linked below in the description box. So if you're interested in developing your own healthy fitness skincare routine that's customized to your unique body's needs, definitely check out the description box below for your code so that you can check out Proven Skincare. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my fitness skincare routine. And now you know, to keep my skin healthy and fit, I'm going to cleanse it, I'm going to put SPF all over it, and I'm going to night cream it, baby. And these things are going to help me keep my skin healthy, fit, and happy. So I'm going to use these products to keep my skin healthy and fit, and I will be posting an update in 30 days on how my skin responds to these proven products. So make sure, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned on if Proven is really proven to work.